Hey my sunshines, I'm really excited for this video. Before we get started, I just want to say welcome back to our channel, Sunshine Cute Hairstyles. If it's your first time here, please click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can stay updated on future videos. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Step 1. Pick up a small section of hair, divide it into 3 equal parts. Start creating a French braid. Pick up a small piece of hair and combine it to the braid. Continue this step in all French braid sections. Step 2. Pick up a small piece of hair and add it to the outer section of the braid. Continue the step in our waterfall French braid section. Let's get into the video.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Birthday shout out goes out to my baby girl Emily. You are such a blessing to our family. You are a kind and intelligent young lady and can't wait to see all you can accomplish in life. Happy 9-year-old birthday, Mama. We love you. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas or questions, please let me know in the comments below. Please make sure to like the video. It really helps us to see what you enjoy watching. So give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoy watching hair tutorials and want to be friends, make sure to click on the circle with our logo on it. Until next time, my sunshines, I love and appreciate your support. Please check out our other videos.